Hey guys, today we're going to do something super fun. We're going to make a little treat snack. And these are awesome to have around the house for, especially for toddlers and young kids. It's a great little snack. It's a great treat. They're kind of sweet. They have some chocolate chips and honey in them. So of course they're going to be desired. Maurice and I sometimes take these when we go hiking as a little bit of extra energy. It's not really a weight loss shake substitute, but it's definitely an awesome snack to have around the house, and it certainly is better than grabbing a Reese's cup. So let's get these put together. Okay, so to make these fantastic treats, we just have a handful of items here. We're going to use our cookies and cream Formula 1 today. Of course, you can use any flavor. Chocolate is also really good. Vanilla is also really good. The pumpkin spice right now is also really good. You can use any flavor Formula 1, but we're going to use 2 scoops of your Formula 1. We have some natural peanut butter. We have some raw honey. I'm going to use a few of these mini chocolate chips. We have some ground flax and some chia seeds and some whole rolled oats. All right, so we're just going to mix our dry ingredients up in here together first, and then we'll add in the wet ingredients, and then we'll put the chocolate chips in on top. Okay, now we're going to take just a spoon and scoop in enough to make a small ball. I have a toddler in the house, so I'm going to make the balls a little smaller than usual, but I'll make some a little bigger for the rest of us too. And then just roll it in the palm of your hand, like so, and put it on the plate. Okay, and these are very sticky right now, so I'm going to sprinkle them with just a little bit of the peanut cookie PDM. Vanilla would also be good, or chocolate, whichever you have. I'm just going to sprinkle this lightly over the top. And here we go.